a.m. in the morning. So I'm heading down to the country. I heard that snapper biting from the other day. Mangrove snapper and sea bream. So we're parking up the vehicle now to head out at any time now. You know, I'm gonna take our time, go down. I'm gonna pick up some of my friends. Yeah, so put in the rods them already. Ice box, rods. Yeah, my bag, you know. That's my bag. Anyway, so big up you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video later on. So catch you out of here. Yes sir, Darren. Yeah man, back at it again, eh?
Yeah man.
Yeah man, that's man. Look, hola. Look at the rod them. Wow. You shine them. Big up yourself, brother. Tell them Portland Cottage.
Yeah man, straight up Portland Cottage.
Alright, bless up this. Man, just reach at the man place. Clive. See him there? Big up yourself, Clive. Yeah man. See there, we just put in it. Yeah, see there. See out man, you know I left you out now, okay? So now I'll kill it today. Yeah man, see that we just drop in the engine. Yeah. Rods. Gas buckle. Everything now. You understand? So yeah. On to the sea. Yes, we'll reach Portland Cottage, heading out now. Looking some bait. We have some small crabs on the tree, on the mangrove. Yeah, shake him off. He's one up there, so. Yeah, see me right there. Jump on the seat and shake him. Shake the tree now. Then drop in it. Shake it. You still up on it, man. I can't reach it. Hold on, get out. Go on. Hold him. He's not bite you. Right, you see? Show you them. Yeah, so we're catching some baits right now. Them all out in the tree now. It's one right there, sir. It's one right there. Yeah. Hold on. See me, come on and eat it. Me shake him myself, man.
We can't do come on and
and drop, see that? See the palace boss. Yeah, they want. Now bite him, man. Grab him. Yeah, they're afraid of crab. It's a small crab, man. I'm not biting, man.
Every time I come out to see you learn something.
Yeah, man, I learn something. Yes, man. Yeah. So, guys, we're going to use the cast net now. You see more crab there in? Enough crab, you know. We are running for price bait. Darren, how are you so far? Slow down.
yeah man.
Just go like a small one, see huh? Hey, baby, you know? Hold on, see that? Beautiful snapper, you see it? Look at him good. Nice. See, catch him out of the mangrove. Release him, guys. See there? Oh, it's nice, big snapper there. Oh, go on. Yeah, what a catch, man. Can't style. Look at the seafood man catch. One bongla weed we like a snapper on it. One bongla weed With a little bean snapper upon it. I tell you. See that? That's a baby one. Come now. Swim along. We're finding some sea bream. Just find one. See me here? Sea bream. They make good bait, you know. Yeah, snook, jack, barrow, everything like them.
Wagwans. Man, look up with something.
Yes, it's a cat boat.
Big.
About 10 inches, you know. Alright, we'll put it on the measure.
Come on, put it on the scale.
Bite that for me. What's in net, give me net. Oh, yo, big snapper, hold on. Yo, come, lift him up. Not ready yet. Big. Ah, yes, yeah, I tell you. Yo, put him on him. I tell you, that for, no, hold on, Nico. Yo, yeah. No, I tell you, put me see me. No, sir. Him look like about 3 pound, 4 pound, 3 pound. Cheese and peas. Yeah. What's that?
That can't go on your scale.
No, sir.
Small.
That's a man. Yo, hold on, I'm put it on the measure. Hold on.
Scale too small, man.
No, on a scale. Coke. On a scale. That's what I'm. Cheese and peas. What's that? Hold on.
The rule is that scale.
Yeah, 12. It passed 12. Hold on. See ruler length now. So 12. Hold on. 12, 13, 14, 15 inch. Cheese and peas. Hold on. Eh? Cheese and. What's that? Parrot, man. What a pretty parrot.
This way you catch that, you know.
Yeah.
The rat move, you know.
What, pink parrot?
You know, so the rat move. The rat
Blue
slide,
parrot.
you know.
No, sir.
Before him check it, you know.
That's a big one. Parrot a big. That's a big parrot. Hold on, put him down there. Put him there, sir. Eh? You have a size limit on them parrot, eh? Hold on a little bit, man. What's a parrot, man? No, sir. A monster parrot, this, you know. No, sir.